The wonderful world of smells. How our sense of smell works. Have you ever wondered how important scents are in our lives? The aroma of freshly brewed coffee in the morning, the smell of rain on hot asphalt, or the familiar perfume of a loved one? These are not just pleasant sensations, but powerful signals for our brain. Smell is an amazing tool of perception that helps us navigate the world, recall the past, and even influence our emotions. Let's explore how it works. How our olfactory system works. Smell begins in the nose. At the top of the nasal cavity lies the olfactory bulb, a small organ that plays a key role in recognizing scents. When we inhale, molecules of odorants enter the nasal passage and activate special receptors. These signals are transmitted to the brain, which interprets them as specific smells. Trillions of scents and 400 olfactory receptors. Many believe that humans can distinguish about 10,000 scents, but recent research has shown that our sense of smell is far more powerful. We can detect up to 1 trillion different odors. This is possible thanks to 400 distinct types of olfactory receptors, each responding to specific molecules. Tiny nasal hairs and their role in detecting scents. Inside the nose, tiny hair-like structures, cilia, not only filter out dust and dirt, but also help capture even the smallest odor molecules. These cilia enhance the interaction between odorant particles and receptors, making our sense of smell even more sensitive. Smells and memory. Have you ever encountered a scent that instantly takes you back to childhood? This happens because the olfactory region of the brain is closely connected to the hippocampus, the center of memory and emotions. Smells can trigger vivid recollections, even ones buried deep in our past. That's why the aroma of a grandmother's pie can transport you back to your childhood with just one breath. How scents influence mood and behavior. Scents can do more than evoke memories. They can also affect our emotions. Lavender promotes relaxation, citrus scents are energizing, and the smell of freshly baked goods evokes a sense of comfort. Some stores even use specific fragrances to encourage shopping, while perfumers create compositions that help us feel more confident. Why we perceive smells differently. Each person's sense of smell is unique. Some people have a more sensitive nose than others. For example, women generally identify more scents than men. Genetics also plays a role. About 2% of the world's population cannot detect the smell of vanilla at all.